It's come to my attention that here in Poblado, this barrio in Medellin, there are more sex shops than anywhere else. I mean, they're not hundreds, but this is about the fourth one I've noticed. Yep. Massage parlor right next door. What could go wrong? All right, let's upward and forward. So I vote for Poblado as the sexiest barrio in Poblado. This is called the Pleasure Lab. Toys para él, para ti. And of course, the spa is right next door. Top-rated deep tissue massage in town. Oh man, this is great. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Entonces no es barato. And there were other people on the street who were offering services for 200,000 Colombian pesos. In Canadian dollars, that's $66.83. Despite this somewhat raunchy introduction to El Poblado, this El Poblado is the #1 area for expats to live. It's a lovely area. For expats and digital nomads, the best areas in Medellin to live are generally considered to be El Poblado, Laureles, and Envigado. These areas offer a blend of safety, amenities, and vibrant community life, making them attractive to international residents. El Poblado is known for its upscale restaurants, vibrant nightlife, and overall modern feel, making it a popular choice for those seeking a lively social scene. It certainly has that. This area actually reminded me of Davie Street in Vancouver. Davie Street in Vancouver. Yeah, sort of a real nice feel about it. I conclude after 10 minutes of walking that this street is a lot more interesting than Davie Street in Vancouver, British Columbia. This city has a lot to offer. This city being Medellin. You sure wouldn't find trees like this on Davie Street. Massive murals. Medellin rum. I couldn't resist walking one of these side streets, and I'm glad that I did. Okay, now I'm in Spain. Now I'm on the Las Ramblas in Barcelona. No, that's a gross exaggeration, but I love exaggerating. Really nice. Really nice. Wow. Totally different from that street, Calle 10, which is full of activity. This is just chill. I am told that this is Calle 10, 10th Street. You wouldn't know it. I'm walking intersection after intersection, not a sign in sight. Man, if you wouldn't have Google Maps, you'd be lost. But I'm really puzzled by this lack of signage. ¿Cómo se llama usted?
Hola, me llamo Luis. ¿Cómo están?
Luis, ¿qué está haciendo?
Todos los días trabajo con mis manillas, con bracelets.
Oh, okay.
Hace 3 años trabajo en la calle.
Oh, okay.
Bonita.
Sí.
Muy correcto.
El color de este fres es estupendo.
Colombia, lo mejor. Probar. 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 Es rico.
Look at this.
Es rico, mi.
I just love this area. Wow.
And the climate here is not hot. It may rain a fair amount, but it's not hot, which is something to be appreciated when you go to South America. I'm in a calle called Provincia Medellin. The neighborhood of Poblado has many walkways like this that are super cool, super cool. Just a great place to relajarse, Spanish verb to relax. If you're planning to spend your winter months, you've been going to Florida, Arizona, and you don't like the Trump situation, I'm talking about the relationship with Canada, and you want to go to another place, check out
Medellin.
I would suggest the Poblado barrio or neighborhood. Here's the Plaza de Poblado. It's no big deal. And here's another church which I can review and flub my review the way I did with Plaza Bolivar in Bogota. But this is just a parish church. This is not going to be anything spectacular, but as Bruce said, these are classical lines and they really like them. I guess they are. I'm just led astray by the, some would call it kitsch in Mexico. Okay, I'm changing my tune. This is beautiful. Colombia is one of those countries where crosswalks are meaningless, totally meaningless. The only thing that brings the traffic stops due to congestion or slowness, but here I'm risking being run down. But what I like about this part here, they have these blocks which are for pedestrians only. This looks really nice.
I'm not saying that this is the definitive word on El Poblado. In my estimation, this is the place that I would spend some time at if I was spending 2-3 months in Medellin. It's really lovely, and thank you for sharing this memory with me, because this is one memory I want to keep, as I do all of them.